Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my elders are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet scarf free ideas for modern girls. Beautiful designing, most demanding, most wearing collection, fabulous and trendy ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, most demanding crochet collection, most wearing, most likely and daily use collection, fall ideas. So please like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet scarf free ideas. And you can wear this crochet scarf with matching your dresses. Beautiful, most demanding collection. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, beautiful amigurumi pattern, different free ideas, handbag, cat bed, dog sweater, fingerless gloves, cozy dog sweater, bracelet. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. Keep safe for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Bye bye.